Welcome to the demo of Inkling Escape Room software. The software is a clue box and a timer to help communicate with groups in a separate space from your control room. It works for both Mac and Windows, and it's very customizable to set up for your room. You can go into Settings. In Settings, you have all sorts of options, including the size and font of your hints and the color. Would you like it to align at the top, middle, or bottom? You can select your background. So I've chosen this dark city background. It also will support video, and it will loop that video, and you can use this to control the volume on any video or any media you want to send. You can also select the sound effect that you want to play when you give a hint. You also can show 3 icons or 6 icons. You can set it to be a light bulb, a question mark, a lock, and when they use a hint, these get colored in. I know some rooms like keeping track of hints and others don't, so you can completely change that. You can also, if you do not like having a timer in your room, so you can hide that and it just becomes a clue box. You can also set the initial value of what you want the room to be. So if you're only running a 30-minute game, you can run a 30-minute game. So you hit start and it starts counting down. And on this output window, I'm displaying it on this screen, but normally you would have a second screen. You just drag this over and you'd hit maximize and it would fill up the whole screen. You can hit escape to lock out of full screen mode. You can also sneak seconds back into the clock if you have a group that's not doing very well but you want to still be successful, or if you forget to start the timer, you can also subtract time pretty easily. And over here we have our clue box where you can type in anything you want. Something like, hey, look under the mat. And it will display over there. And then it will also save it in your clue library. So if you choose to save this profile as demo room or whatever you might be able to, it will save your clues so that you can recall clues. And so when you're building your room, you can enter the 10 or 15 clues you end up giving most commonly and have them in the library. And then you have instant access to all those clues. And if you find new clues you want to add, you can just save to update the profile. So it's that simple. It's a great option if you're looking for just a simple clue box and a timer. Thanks for checking out this demo.